Alright guys, I got a couple of requests for this. They can get kind of confusing. The quick release for the Herm Sprenger, obviously it's a lot, physically it's easier than popping these apart, putting them around the dog's neck, and clipping them back together. So, just wanted to do a quick video of how to get them together. So, a lot of times when you take them off the dog, you'll see everything is straight. What you want to do is find the end of the chain that has no, so here's the chain. One end you have a clip, one end is just the end of the chain. So you're going to take the chain, take the end of the collar with the loop, prongs facing in, put it around the dog's neck. So you're going to put it around the dog's neck, slide the chain through the hole. Try to get a couple different angles of it. So it's through the hole, looks like this. Then take the clip and attach it there. So you end up, looks like this, but when it's around the dog's neck, you have this. You will attach the leash to the swivel ring, the one that came with the tag on it. So real quick, again, to release, just gonna unclip that, becomes that. I'm gonna put it around the dog's neck, slide the chain through the hole in the opposite end, take the clip, flip it to that, just like that. Medium. We also have the small. There are crunchies. We have a whole bunch.